Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to make some superfood veggie cakes, and these can be for breakfast or for a side dish. They're absolutely delicious and packed with nutrients. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, to begin with, let's go ahead and go down our list of ingredients. I've got 8 large eggs. You can use medium if you would like. 1 cup of shredded cheddar. I've got white cheddar and yellow cheddar. I've got 1 cup of broccoli slaw, and this is how you get it at the supermarket, or you can cut up your own and make your own. This has broccoli, carrots, and red cabbage in it. I've got 1/4 cup of chopped chives, 3/4 cup of riced cauliflower that has been steamed. Now for our seasonings, I've got 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also using garlic, onion, and black pepper seasoning. It's from McCormick. You can omit it. You've got the other in there. It just adds a little bit. If you do not use this, you will need to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I've also got roasted garlic and red pepper seasoning by McCormick, and I just like this too. It's really good. Okay, that's our ingredients. So to begin with, we are going to pour our eggs into the blender. Get it all in there. You get the blender up here where you can see it. Okay, I got those blended together. We're gonna add the broccoli slaw and the seasonings. Now that does not include the chives. We're gonna wait on that. We're just gonna pulse this a couple of times because I don't want the vegetables to be pureed. I just want them chopped a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna add the cauliflower, the cheese, and the chives. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to pulse it just a little bit. Okay, now that I've got this mixed together, I'm going to pour it in here, and I'm going to tell you why. Because as it sits for a second, those vegetables are going to settle to the bottom, and I don't want to have my muffins like some with just eggs and some with just vegetables. I want it all mixed together. I've already got my muffin pan. It's 12-cup muffin pan. And I've got it sprayed with olive oil spray. Got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I always have my other one under there just in case. Then I'm going to stir it and then pour. And we're going to do them about halfway full. And I want to make sure I get all of the stuff in every muffin or cake. I like these for breakfast. I love them. And you can also, like I said, use them as a side dish. They're going to bake 30 to 40 minutes. There will be a little bit of a golden brown color on top when they're done. You can serve them hot. You can also freeze them in an airtight like Ziploc bag, or if you have a Sillamil or something like that, you can freeze them and then just pop them in the microwave for about 60 seconds when you're ready for them, and they are delicious. Okay, there we go. We're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, these have been baking for about 30 minutes on 350, and I let them cool for just a few minutes on the cooling rack, and you can see all the vegetables throughout it. That is so good. You have got to try this recipe. So there you go. There's your Superfood veggie cakes, and like I said, they're excellent for breakfast or as a side dish. So leave in the comments what you think when you try them, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell for all notifications so you'll be notified of my future uploads. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.